All right, here is a full tutorial on how to use the PushPress Members app, including the new feature that we'll ask you guys to use, which is checking yourself in. So this Blue Shoe Members portal is connected to your PushPress account. If you haven't set that up when you first join, you need to do that. That's where your membership is located, your class reservations, if you're buying any merch or using the store to buy any supplements or drinks, anything like that, all that will be housed right here in PushPress. So the home screen, nothing really fancy. The top left hamburger, this is where I need to go to handle most of my things. First of all, check out that you can see your classes if you click on classes. If you have not reserved any classes, all these will show available based off of your membership. If you've reserved a class, like I've reserved noon already, it shows as that green reserved button. You can also click over here on the reserve tab to show all the classes that you've reserved. So the main change that we're going to have you guys do now is instead of the coaches checking you in, because honestly, sometimes they miss. We all have done it before. I'd rather you guys be in charge. You're going to click this green check-in button. And if it's within an hour of class and you're at the gym, you'll be able to check in and it will no longer say reserved. It will turn blue and say checked in. And that is going to be how we're keeping track of your attendance, which is important for lots of things, including committed clubs. So make sure that you're doing that. That should be kind of step one when you walk into the gym. Go ahead and check on in. Other things that you can do, if we have any pre-orders going on right now, we don't have anything, but you can see your pre-orders. You can see the things that you've ordered there. If we have any events set up, you can check it out there, your profile. If you wanted to look at any of the documents you've signed, such as your waiver, policies, anything like that, you can also see all the times that you've attended class. It's kind of cool. Payments, if you're not sure what you've paid for, unpaid. I've got an unpaid thing. So I can check that out there, see what's going on. I've paid for a few things along the way, believe it or not. But it'll also show what it is that you've bought as well. So you can see that I bought some Fit Aid there. If you ever have any questions about your payments, definitely feel free to just go in there and grab them. And that is really, we don't use the workouts tab. Those are really the main things. Plans, if we're doing any sort of extra thing like a challenge or something like that, you can go in and sign up for different membership options there, and you can see the different ones that you have active under my plans. So that is the full rundown of the PushPress Members portal app.